The agricultural sector has been the backbone of the economy for so long, and the replication of innovative technology is the only way forward in improving agricultural productivity in the country. Hence, Ghana is readying itself to build a massive tractor and backhoe loader assembly line right in the heart of the Ashanti region. This audacious project can significantly impact Ghana's agribusiness economy and make the country an actual agricultural powerhouse in West Africa by increasing its exports and developing local capacities. Stick to this video to the end to know more about this amazing tractor and backhoe loader project and all the information on how it will transform the agricultural landscape in Ghana. Before we begin, as always, I would appreciate a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. Let's get right into it. Agriculture is one of the most important and integral sectors of the Ghanaian economy, and also one of the industries which hold the key to the nation's development. This vital sector also employs nearly half of the country's population and incredibly accounts for around 20% of the nation's GDP. However, despite this importance, many farmers in Ghana still rely on manual labor and outdated equipment, which limits their productivity and profitability, and is now causing the gradual decline of the sector. Well, to solve this problem, the government estimated to use $29 million to build an ultra-modern and massive tractor and backhoe loader factory right in the heart of the Ashanti region. This amazing news was announced by the President of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, when he was assuring Ghanaians of the government's plan to boost the agricultural machinery production in the country to increase the productivity in the agro sector. The president also indicated that to address the direct issue of post-harvest losses and to complement the assembly line, some 65 warehouses have been constructed, with the remaining 15 at advanced stages of completion. Further adding that this intervention is adding some 80,000 metric tons to the national grain storage capacity. According to him, the experiences and lessons from the COVID-19 pandemic and the Russian-Ukraine conflict is more of a reason why his administration had increased investment in the agricultural sector. Aside skyrocketing the efficiency and productivity of the sector, this massive tractor assembly line project will create many job opportunities for countless Ghanaians. The project is expected to create over 2,000 direct and indirect jobs for Ghanaians, which will drastically help reduce unemployment rates in the country. Additionally, the factory will create many more countless indirect jobs through the supply chain, logistics, and maintenance services. This incredible project will immensely boost Ghana's exports, as the upcoming factory is expected to produce many tractors and backhoe loaders, enough to serve Ghana's domestic market as well as export others to other African countries. This will help improve Ghana's balance of trade and increase foreign exchange earnings for the country. With the production of high-quality tractors, Ghana can be in a position to become the leading manufacturer and exporter of agricultural machinery in West Africa. If successfully completed and operationalized, the project has the potential to be a game changer for the Ghanaian economy, helping to create new jobs for many Ghanaians, but most especially those within the Ashanti region, and reduce reliance on imports and boost productivity and growth across a range of sectors. Any further information on this tractor and backhoe loader assembly plant would be given out on this channel. If you like content like this, be sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more of these. Also, check out this video next on massive projects going on right here in Ghana that will equally amaze you. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this video out.